I gave you my heart.
Alright, Dapper Cracker back at you. Woke up feeling fantastic this morning, man. I ran for like 2 days straight on 3 hours of sleep. So I got me about a 34-hour reset. We ready to shake and bake, baby. I got a couple of things going on, guys. I'm going to cut a video today. I'm going to go ahead and pull these heads off this Equinox. We got it in a few days ago. Thinking about turning it into a base banger. Not sure. But I know it's running hot, so I'm going to pull the heads off. I know the problem. I've already diagnosed it. And we got this piece of poopy in. Bought a little 2002 Forester. I don't know if I'm going to put it together or not. But check this thing out, man. It's unique as hell. Used to be a mail truck. The steering wheel is on the passenger side. How y'all like that crap? Got a little fan belt running across to a pulley. The whole setup's in here. But I will pay 4 kinds of hell trying to find a leather SV Forester seat for the driver's side. But everything's here. It runs. But the same issue. Heads are bad, but that's common on a Subaru. We just replaced the engine on the base submission. Man, it works fine. I've still got the engine in here in the garage. It's already broke down to nothing but the block. So I guess I'll be putting gaskets on it. We may toss it in that one. I don't know. We'll see how it gets along. But I found this in the woods. And give me an idea. I couldn't find the back to it. It was just laying randomly by a tree. But the back wasn't there. The bottom and the top wasn't there. But it's got the hole in the sides. So we're going to be birdhouse building with Airbender today. How about that? But I'll give you guys an update. I'm trying to get everything together. I got a mess. The garage is still messed up, as you can see. So I got about 1 million projects to do. I have my tool room assembled, but I've got it messed up pulling tools out. But we're going to get on it. And I'll get back with you guys. Show you the progress. Dapper Cracker out. Try not to destroy shit. One off. Man, I hope these birds are fucking happy, because this sucks. wasted enough time, but here's the finished product. It's exactly what I was going for, a little rustic look. But we salvaged that one. I know I could have used good wood, but kind of defeated the purpose. But it's all liquid nailed. Shot it with the nail gun. So if a hurricane comes through and blows these things apart, there'll be at least a glue skeleton. Anyways, just a little something. What y'all think? Dapper Cracker out.